Ever wondered what the term blood pressure really means? Well, it's essentially the force that your heart uses to pump blood around your body. To be more specific, when we talk about blood pressure, we are typically referring to arterial pressure, or the pressure within your arteries. Blood pressure is measured and recorded as two numbers, representing the systolic and diastolic pressures. The systolic pressure, the higher of the two, occurs when the heart contracts, while the diastolic pressure, the lower number, occurs when the heart is at rest between beats. So, what influences your blood pressure? There are several factors at play, from the volume of blood your heart pumps, to the resistance to blood flow in your arteries, and even certain lifestyle factors like diet and exercise. For instance, if your heart pumps a large volume of blood while your arteries are narrow or rigid, the pressure will be high. On the other hand, if your heart pumps a smaller volume of blood and your arteries are wide and flexible, the pressure will be lower. It's also worth noting that blood pressure isn't static. It can change from minute to minute, fluctuating throughout the day in response to your environment, physical activity, and emotional state. Why is regulating blood pressure so important for our health? Well, if blood pressure is too high, it puts extra strain on your blood vessels, heart, and other organs, such as the brain, kidneys, and eyes. Persistent high blood pressure can increase your risk of serious conditions like heart disease and stroke. On the flip side, if blood pressure is too low, your organs may not get the oxygen and nutrients they need, leading to dizziness, fainting, or even organ damage. In short, maintaining healthy blood pressure is crucial for our overall well-being. It's a delicate balance that our bodies constantly strive to achieve. Now that you understand the basics of blood pressure, let's delve into the fascinating world of our cells. Cells, the basic building blocks of life, play a crucial role in our health, including blood pressure regulation. Let's peel back the layers to understand these microscopic wonders better. A cell is a bustling microcity with a protective outer wall known as the cell membrane. This membrane is composed of a delicate balance of proteins, lipids, and carbohydrates. Then we have the nucleus, the command center of the cell, where our DNA resides. Surrounding the nucleus is the cytoplasm, a gel-like substance housing various organelles, each with a specific role. For instance, mitochondria, the powerhouses of the cell, generate energy. These intricate structures and their functions all contribute to the overall health and functioning of our body. They help maintain the delicate balance necessary for regulating blood pressure. A better understanding of our cells brings us closer to understanding how high blood pressure develops. Have you ever thought about how water gets into our cells? This seemingly simple process is actually an intricate dance of biology. You see, water plays a critical role in cellular function, from metabolism to maintaining the cell's structure. But how exactly does water get into our cells? The answer lies in two key mechanisms: osmosis and facilitated diffusion. Osmosis is the movement of water from an area of low solute concentration to an area of high solute concentration, while facilitated diffusion involves the use of protein channels to move water across the cell membrane. Speaking of protein channels, let's talk about aquaporins. These unique proteins act as the cell's plumbing system, allowing water to move in and out of the cell efficiently. And finally, it's important to note that the amount of water we consume can directly impact cellular hydration. So, remember to keep yourself hydrated. Keeping cells well hydrated is key to maintaining health, including healthy blood pressure levels. Sodium, an essential nutrient, has a significant influence on our cells and blood pressure. Sodium is like the control knob of our cells, playing a vital role in countless cellular processes. It's responsible for maintaining fluid balance, transmitting nerve impulses, and influencing muscle contractions. But how does it do this? Enter the sodium-potassium pump and ion channels. These are like the revolving doors and gatekeepers of our cells, allowing sodium and potassium to move in and out. This movement is what maintains a delicate balance, known as the sodium-potassium balance. However, when sodium levels skyrocket, this balance can be thrown off, leading to a chain reaction of cellular disruption. The cells might swell, causing a domino effect on tissues, organs, and ultimately our blood pressure. So it's not just about cutting down on the salt shaker, it's about understanding the intricate dance that sodium performs within our cells. Managing sodium levels is a crucial part of maintaining healthy blood pressure. Magnesium, another essential mineral, plays a key role in regulating our cells and blood pressure. This mighty mineral is involved in more than 300 enzymatic reactions that keep our bodies functioning optimally. Magnesium's role is critical in the production of energy, synthesis of DNA, and regulation of nerve and muscle function. It also has a significant impact on ion channels, which are gateways that control the flow of ions in and out of our cells, affecting cellular excitability. Think of magnesium as a gatekeeper, ensuring the right amount of ions pass through these channels to maintain cellular balance. But how does this connect to blood pressure? Well, magnesium helps our blood vessels relax and regulates the function of our heart muscle. It's a natural calcium channel blocker, which means it helps reduce blood pressure by allowing our blood vessels to dilate. Magnesium, like sodium, is a key player in maintaining healthy blood pressure. Celtic salt, a mineral-rich alternative to regular table salt, may offer benefits for managing high blood pressure. This unique type of salt originates from the coastal regions of France, where it's hand-harvested using traditional Celtic methods. Its distinctive grey colour comes from the clay found in the salt flats where it's harvested. Comparing Celtic salt to regular table salt reveals a world of difference. While table salt is highly refined, often containing just two elements, sodium and chloride, Celtic salt undergoes minimal processing, retaining a spectrum of other beneficial minerals. Celtic salt boasts a rich mineral profile with over 80 minerals and trace elements. These include vital nutrients like potassium, magnesium, and calcium, which play key roles in our body's functions. Unlike table salt, which can lead to sodium overload and high blood pressure, the balanced mineral content of Celtic salt can help maintain a healthier sodium-potassium balance in our bodies. But the benefits of Celtic salt don't stop at sodium and potassium. The magnesium in Celtic salt aids in relaxing the muscles in the walls of our blood vessels, thus reducing blood pressure. Calcium, another mineral found in Celtic salt, is essential for the contraction and dilation of blood vessels. Even the trace elements in Celtic salt, such as zinc, copper, and selenium, contribute to our overall well-being by supporting various bodily functions. In essence, Celtic salt is more than just a seasoning. It's a cocktail of minerals that, in the right balance, can support our cellular health and overall well-being. It's a testament to the concept that food can be our medicine, a natural resource for maintaining our health. So when you next reach for the salt shaker, consider switching to Celtic salt. Its diverse mineral content, coupled with its unique taste, might just make it a beneficial addition to your diet. Celtic salt's rich mineral content could potentially benefit those with high blood pressure. How can Celtic salt, with its rich mineral content, help manage high blood pressure? Celtic salt is not just any salt. It's a unique blend of over 80 minerals and trace elements, including magnesium, potassium, and calcium, that are essential for our body's optimal functioning. But what makes it particularly interesting is its potential impact on blood pressure regulation. You see, minerals play a vital role in maintaining our cardiovascular health. They're like the unsung heroes of our body, diligently working behind the scenes to keep everything running smoothly. Let's take a closer look at some of these minerals found in Celtic salt. Magnesium, for instance, is known for its ability to relax blood vessels, thereby reducing blood pressure. It also aids in the regulation of other minerals, enhancing our body's overall mineral balance. Similarly, potassium helps lower blood pressure by balancing out the negative effects of sodium. Furthermore, calcium is essential for blood vessel constriction and dilation, and it plays a critical role in signal transmission in our nervous system. An adequate intake of these minerals can potentially support a healthy blood pressure level. Now you might be wondering, is there any evidence to back up these claims? Indeed, there are numerous studies and anecdotal accounts that support the use of Celtic salt for managing high blood pressure. Many people have reported experiencing a decrease in their blood pressure levels after incorporating Celtic salt into their diet. But it's important to remember that while Celtic salt may offer benefits, it's not a magic bullet for high blood pressure. It should be part of a balanced diet, coupled with regular exercise and a healthy lifestyle. Moreover, everyone's body responds differently to dietary changes. What works wonders for one person might not have the same effect on another. So it's crucial to monitor your blood pressure regularly and consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. While Celtic salt may offer benefits, remember to consult a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle.